Good afternoon friends, myself Jansar Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today I will teach in standard 12. Okay, on Sunday you have English test and in this test you have to prepare active passive voice. So I'll give you some revision. In last two video I give you some examples. Now we'll go ahead. Next sentence. They went home after they had finished their works. They went home after their work had been finished by them. So after we have to write down the same sentence and then we have to find out object. So object is their work had been finished by them. Next, Ramji opened the door after I had knocked for the second time. So Ramji opened the door after. Up to that we have to write down same. Now the left sentence we have to find out object. So object is the second time had been knocked for by me. Okay friends, now we'll go ahead. We went to the theater after we had seen Kasoti. Okay, Kasoti is I think name of the serial. Okay, so we went to the theater after. Up to after we have to write down the same sentence. Then we have to find out object. Okay, so we had seen Kasoti. In this sentence object is Kasoti. Kasoti had been seen by us. Now next sentence. I waited until he had finished his lunch. So I waited until, up to until I write down the same sentence. Now object in the sentence, his lunch had been finished by him. Okay friends, we go next sentence, that is the infinitive. The topic name is infinitive. So I am to learn Urdu. So object is Urdu. Urdu is to be learnt by me. Okay, Urdu is to be, that is infinitive, is to, am to, was to. Along with that we have to put be. Now next, she has to finish knitting. Okay, so object is knitting. Knitting has to be finished by her. Okay friends, the next sentence, Mohan is going to start new shop. So a new shop is going to be started by Mohan. Next, the poem is too difficult to understand. Okay, the poem is too difficult to be understood. Okay, next, Haresh is to lift the box. So the box is to be lifted by Haresh. Okay friends, so now I will show you some mixed example so that you can understand this topic properly. The first sentence, having got back the lost money, comma, he felt relieved. Okay, so in this sentence the object is the lost money. The lost money having been got back, comma, he felt relieved. Okay, now next, they could have sent the reply in time. Okay, in this sentence the reply is an object. The reply could have been sent in time by them. Okay, the next, the boys are playing a festival match next week. Okay, so a festival match is being played next week by the boys. Okay, now next, he had heard Ali's voice in the distance. Okay, so in the sentence Ali's voice is object. So Ali's voice had been heard in the distance by him. Okay friends, now next sentence, what have we been given by the nature? What has the nature given to us? Next, how many runs have been scored by Sachin? Okay, that is interrogative sentence and that is a passive voice sentence. Okay, so in passive you have to make active. So how many runs has Sachin scored? Okay, while turning passive to active you have to remove been. Okay, so how many runs has Sachin scored? Next, Mr. Shah has been called by the principal just now. That is also passive voice. Okay, so we have to turn into active. Okay, the principal has called Mr. Shah just now. Okay, friends, so I turn the passive to active. Okay, now see the next sentence. The servant was arranging the boxes in the shop, then the boxes were being arranged. Okay, I represent the servant was arranging the box in the shop then. So in this sentence the boxes is an object, the boxes were being, that is a plural, so we have to put where. The boxes were being arranged in the shop then by the servants. Okay friends, so I explain you all the examples which I already taught you. This is a revision lecture, so you have to do the same sentence, and still I'll give you some more sentence so that you can do the practice and repeat all the rules again and again so that you can give good performance in a weekly examination. Okay friends, thank you very much to listen me carefully.